I'm making this video because of this question. This person says, why is my new page restricted even before I started posting content? So many people are having this issue on their Facebook page. This content monetization policy. You should just discover one thing. Do you know that the account that you are using can contribute to this problem? That your Facebook account, the one you are using right now, can contribute to this problem. Even before you open a page, I will advise you to check the profile status of your Facebook account, because if that profile, anything has happened to that profile, maybe you commented on someone's post, then Facebook now flag that comment. They ask you to delete that comment. That profile at that moment has been flagged by Facebook, and if you open any account on that profile, that page is going to have issues on this monetization policy. So if after you have checked your profile status, the profile status of your Facebook account, and realize that that profile has some issues, I will advise you to remove that page from that particular profile. Look for another account wey no get problem at all. Remove this page on this current one that has issues and put in the other one that have no issues at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or transfer a page from one account to another. That is, removing the page from an account that have some issues to the one that have no issues at all. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is for anybody that is having content monetization policy issue on his or her page. So if you don't have this issue on your page, the issue of content monetization, you don't have any business with this video.
First of all, I'm going to log in my Facebook application. After logging in Facebook application, this is my profile. And now, if the page that is having issues is on this profile, if I notice that this profile gets some issues like that, and the page I have already opened is on this profile now, I'll take out the page from this profile. I'll transfer it from here to another of my Facebook account that does not have issues. So I'll click on pages. After clicking on pages, let's say the page that is having issues is PSM Daily News, for instance. PSM Daily News. If this is the page that is having issues, the first thing on how to transfer it, first thing, I'll click on the page name. After clicking on the page name, I'll click on switch. Now, when the page has login, come to professional dashboard, then scroll down to page access. I'll then click on page access. When it gets to this point, you need to know where you're adding the admin. This is where you are transferring the page now. Have issues. Alright, so there are two different things now. There are two different options now in this place. The first one is people with Facebook access, and the second one is people with task access. So I will need to click on add new, the add new beside people with Facebook access, then click next and type the name of the other account, the name of the other Facebook account. When it gets to this point, you have to know one thing. You have to add the other account as friend to this other one, so that when it gets to this place now, when it gets to where you want to transfer the page, you can search by name or username and you'll be able to see the other account. So I'll click on it. This is my other account. Then you scroll down a bit. Then this place that they say allow this person to also have full control, you toggle it on. This function, you toggle it on, and then you click on give access. The next thing is for you to put the password. Just put the password, then click on confirm. Now after clicking on confirm, so I'm going to log in the other of my Facebook account. After logging in, I'll go to notification. So after clicking on notification, you see Akpan Editor invited you to manage PSM daily news page. So I'll click and enter. Then after clicking and enter, I'll scroll down a bit, then review your invite to manage this page. So this way you click. You don't click on decline, you click on review invite. Sometimes it could be a review invitation, but in this particular case, it is a review invite. I'll click on next. After that, I'll click on accept. This other profile is in full control of the page, so I will now click on switch so that I can enter the page. Now this page has successfully been moved from the other Facebook account to this other Facebook account. Two people are now controlling this page. Like two of my accounts is now controlling this page. I'll click on professional dashboard so that I can remove the first Facebook account from this page completely. The first Facebook account, the other Facebook account that is having issues. So I will come to page access. You can see now that the two accounts are under people with Facebook access, and I want to completely remove the first account that was there, which is Akpan Editing. Alright, so I'll click on these three dot lines. After clicking on the three dot lines, I'll click on remove from page. Remove from page. I'll now put the password. After putting the password of the second account, you see that they say this admin is pending removal. Now the reason why they're giving me this notification and they want me to accept on the other account before I will completely remove this first account. The reason why they are giving me this notification and waiting for me to approve before the first account can move out from the page completely is because this first account is the account I use in creating that page. Okay, so it's the super admin of the page. Okay, so I'm going to return back to that previous account, to the old account, the other account that is having issues. I'm going to log out of this particular one so that I can go and accept the remover. So I'll return to that account, then come to notification again. Now you see over here that they say Prince Marcus requested to remove you from the page PSM Daily News. So I'll click and enter. After clicking and enter, you see the notification right inside the page. So I will not click on decline. I'll click on review request. So after clicking on review request, they'll alert me again whether I want to accept the remover or not. In this case, we're accepting the remover, so I'll click on accept. I will now put the password and then confirm. Now this particular page is out of the control of this particular account which is having issues.
So when you are done with the transfer, moving the page from the first profile to the second profile or the second account, you have to wait for 14 to 30 days for Facebook to review your request. After a successful review, they will now fix that issue on your page. The issue now, the page contents now will now turn to green instead of the X symbol. So that is it.